today we're on the Adventure Tech Prison server and we're sitting right outside the plot. Yeah, let's go start the video. Yeah. Okay, so this is the plot. It's really small. Yeah. Let's see. This is my normal plot. I think it goes to yeah. Let me go to the mines. Cause yeah. Wait. Then yeah, so literally I'm recording just cause yeah. I don't know what to get to my plot. Alright, okay guys, hi there. Good. Wait, no. Hi. This is the quiz setup. I think she's AFK. Yeah, I have some lapis that I bought. Yeah, let's see. Some mining, I guess. Slash mine A, because I don't want to. It's just recently made. I'm just gonna mine some stuff. I'm gonna sell some stuff later. Cause I know. Let's see. I love my yeah. I have some lapis to do some enchanting. Company enchanting in this server. So enchanted table. You know, right? And do you know what this table for? 5k, agree. Something so beat a 2k one, but meh, it's really. Yeah, someone also says 15k, but I take it. You got to be kidding me. Yeah, we don't do some billion yet, because I did online today with season 50.4, and the server recently just got, oh, crap. Yeah, shout out to all these people who has party at negative 9.7. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of split the content here. Let's see how many actions. Look, how many actions are here? So, I'm not just doing this for the famous one because it's just what I love. I don't really efficiency people. Trying to get attention, but not just like things and stuff like that. I have to put it in the, oh, I forgot to put it in the chest and now it's gone. What is gone? I need a shut up. And last time I tried to record, but I guess it's inappropriate. Let's just say I was going to call it pointless. Hey guys.
Hello po, kamusta? Okay lang po. Kinakabahan? Kinakabahan po kasi. Sasali din po kayo? Hindi po. Bilang nanay, syempre mararamdaman niyo dito.
Because I was like wondering if anyone could pay me some donations. These are money thirsty. Blood thirsty.
Sabi ng mga kapitbahay namin.
Okay, this pickaxe is about to put, but I have a lot of pickaxes for me, so who's VIP? Really? Let's go back to the slash mine A. See Angel Miner.
Diba ito si Vice o black tsaka white?
Stop!
Liberty po, parang Liberty City. Sa mga barangay bagong sikat po.
Okay,
Sa
4K
mga
for
taga-barangay bagong sikat, hi po sa inyong lahat dyan.
I'm not flying.
Kamusta niyo po ako? Okay lang
Sure,
po
just
ako.
fell down a hole. Okay, haha.
Pero sa papunod sa Pinay,
People are sick.
hi po sa aming
Okay,
kapitan.
so
Si
let's
Kapitan
do
Marcos.
this. We're here in a prison server. Don't speak much because, yeah, you can have friends on this server. Yes, but it's a new thing. And I got disconnected. I'll be right back. Okay, now we're back. I just simply got disconnected. Hi there. How you doing?
Jenner ka talaga ngayon.
Can you go around? Yeah.
Sabi nga ni Kay Grosso sa akin kagabi, alam mo na sinabi mo na Kylie Jenner si
Yeah.
sabi ko talaga, oo, ako kasi
I don't have anything but my old skin for the PC version. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna hide that. Yeah, I'm trying to do a quiz, but no.
Hey!
What? I'm recording!
Hapon ka na naman natapos naglaba!
Oh
Ikaw talaga naglalabay, hapon na!
Oh. Daming gold. May speak sa Tagalog. Here. With that, yeah. This will be just a few minutes. Yes. Yeah, but I'll make sure these people in the server want shout out. I also need to record for 5124 when she joins my new server. Yeah, my server is gonna be whitelisted, so you have to comment down your Minecraft username. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can find me in this server. I am Kawaii or other usernames. But in my server, my username there is, I don't want to say it because people will hack to change my and become OP and all that stuff. I'm not gonna say that. Yeah. Anyways, let's see. We got 64. Yes. Let's get some more. Yeah, we should go to the spawn, and the NPCs were just being set because of the server being restarted. Let's see how much is the crates. How much are 40 crates actually? So, what's this? Coming soon? What's this? Common crate. Legendary crate, so fresh crate, good crate, pictures. Great. Great. Wait, wait, still up. Fresh crate. What's this? Player shop sign from P shop item ID item count. How many items do you need to buy? Okay, so this item count investigation. Yes, I would like to do that, but I still wanted to go over there and yeah, let's see if we could keep trying this over. Yeah, there you go. How much do you sell apples? 20. Since they only cost 2 each. We have so much stuff. You sell cotton. Yeah, it wasn't available. Let's see how much my money is. 2,000 down. Yay! wait, I don't have, oh yeah, I paid the last person. Yeah, ACCM is here again. Warp lots. Yeah, we're going to do a skin contest today. Hey, this is a nice spawn that we found. We could just get a spinny here. Let's see. Screamy with me at lot spawn. Yeah, so you guys can have a spinny with me at this spawn. Yeah, some people should be coming soon. Yeah, I'm seeing on a thing. I think I've already start, but I'm pretty sure it's a thing. Yeah, it's something. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you guys can have a spinny with me right here. But I'm not here so often, so I'm gonna hide this thing and go to a normal view. And I'm also using Multigen, so I guess that'll be the end for this episode. Prison is pretty boring. It is.